Hi everybody, this is Mary for Stampin' Camp with Mary and Mary's Stamping Happenings, and today is Tips and Techniques Tuesday, and I am going to show you some reverse stamping. That means you're going to take a stamp and you're going to make it face the other way. This is the regular stamp, and then we're going to do a reverse stamping. So what you need is you're going to need a stamp, some dark colored ink. I've tried this with like Pear Pizzazz. It doesn't work. You're going to need some cardstock, and you're going to need your silicone craft mat. Let me bring this up so you can, there we go. So I am just going to take a piece of Whisper White and some soft suede, and I'm going to ink up the deer in Nature's Beauty, okay? And I'm going to stamp that just like that. Now I want to get one, I want to have another deer face that deer, have their head. So what I am going to do is, again, I'm going to ink up the deer, and then I am going to stamp it on the silicone pad. Now you don't want to move it like I just did. You want to push it up and down, and you can see the ink is right there. And then what you're going to do is you can, I like for this one, I like to move this over here, and then you just want to press it down, and there you go. So you got to stamp with it the other way. And then you want to clean this off. Now there is another way to do it. Now say you want to do something that has a die or a punch, and it's really hard to cut it when it's upside down and stuff. So I want to show you how to do it that way. Let me get out the Memento Black. Where's my Memento Black? Oh, here it is. So I cut out the cardinal from the Toiled Christmas, and this is the way it should sit, but I want it to sit opposite. You can see I've got one of each here. I want it to sit opposite. So what I am going to do is I'm just going to flip this over. Now I am going to, I'm going to put the cardinal on here. Just like that. And then I'm going to ink it up with Memento Black, or again, any dark. I tried some of the lighter shades, and you can't get it to shade. Now you could get it, you can use window sheets for this. It's the same thing. I find this is a little darker when you go to when you want to color it or to stamp it. It stamps a little bit darker when you flip it over. So this is what I'm going to do. I'm just going to stamp again on the silicone sheet. Then I am going to take, this is the back end, I am going to take this, and I am just, without getting your fingers in the ink, I am going to lay that right on top, and again rub it. And now, since this is the front, if you cut it, it is now the back. And there you got it. So now you can color it. Now sometimes it'll take you a little bit. You may want to do it a couple of times to practice and stuff like that. But you can do so much And again, you just wash this off. And there you go. So that's called reverse stamping. I've done it before. I've done it on the window sheets. But this is doing it on the silicone craft mat. So for Stampin' Camp with Mary, Mary's Stampin' Happenings, thanks for visiting and happy. Oh, don't forget to follow me, and everything you need to make is down below. Bye-bye.